we have domain and range of a function. Consider the function f x gives x2 minus 2x plus 6. Denoted f of x. For every x belongs to R, f of x can be calculated. For example, for x equals 0, we write f of 0 equals 6. F of minus 1, we substitute x by minus 1 square, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 6 equal 9, etc. Then the domain of definition of f is the set R of real numbers. We write domain of definition of f, df equal R. R is the open interval minus infinity plus infinity. B. Curve sketching graph. We make a table x between minus infinity and plus infinity, the domain of definition. The values of f of x for some values of x, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. We calculate f of x. For x minus 1, f of x equal 9, f of 0, 6. For x equal 1, f of x equal 5, etc. In an orthonormal system, x prime o x, y prime o y, for x equal 1, y equal 5, for x equal 0, y equal 6, the curve passes through the point on the y-axis. For x equal 3, for example, y equal 9. For x equal minus 1, also y equal 9. And we join the points, we obtain the sketch of the function f of x. The form of the curve is a parabola. In general, if f of x equal ax2 plus bx plus c, the graph has the form as a parabola. With x equal minus b over 2a is an axis of symmetry. For this function, f x equal minus b over 2a is minus b is 2 over 2 times 1 equal 1. So x equal 1 is an axis of symmetry. this line x equal 1 is an axis of symmetry of the curve. Every point in the curve has a symmetric, belongs to the same curve. And for a positive, we have two cases. For a positive, f of minus b over 2a is a minimum of f of x, least value of f. For this function, f of minus b over 2a is f of 1 equal 5. F of 1 equal 5. 5 is the minimum. In the table, for x equal 1, f of x equal 5 is the minimum. The values of f of x decreases from plus infinity to 5, then increases from 5 to plus infinity. 5 is the least value of f of x. For a positive, the curve passes through a minimum. For a negative, f of minus b over 2a is a maximum of f of x, the greatest value of f. For a negative, we have the curve in this form, passes through a maximum. Now, for the range of f of x, part C, a range of f is the set of values of f of x. F of x for this example belongs to R, varies between plus infinity, takes all the values of R in R, so the minimum, if because the minimum of f of x is 5, we have f of x greater or equal to 5. So the set of values of f of x is the values of f of x greater or equal to 5. this set is the range of f. The range of the function f is the set of values of f of x. Now we have to find algebraically the least value of f of x. F of x equal x2 minus 2x plus 6. We can write f of x as x minus 1 square plus x2 minus 2x is the beginning of the complete square x minus 1. X minus 1 square is x2 minus 2x plus 1. So minus 1 plus 6 plus 5. x2 minus 2x plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 is plus 6. Now we can find the least value of f of x from this expression. The minimum of x minus 1 is x minus 1 square is 0, since x minus 1 square is greater or equal to 0. The bracket square is greater or equal to 0. So 0 is the minimum of x minus 1. Minimum for x minus 1 is 0 for x equal 1. Then the minimum of f of x is 0 plus 5 equal 5. So the least value of f of x is 5. Which is f of 1. We write x2 minus 2x as x minus 1 square minus 1. So minus 1 plus 6 is plus 5. X minus 1 square is greater or equal to 0. The minimum of the bracket square is 0, so the minimum of the expression is 0 plus 5. The least value of f of x is 5 for x equal 1. F of 1 equal 5 is the least value of f.